Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer the data from your Android phone to your new iPhone. So let us go and see how to transfer the data from your Android phone to your new iPhone. For that, just turn on your new iPhone and continue the setup, and you will get this screen which is apps and data. There you can see many options. So for transferring data from Android to iPhone, just click on move data from Android. So before clicking that one, just go to your Android phone and install the application Move to iOS on your Android phone. After that, just go to your iPhone and click on move data from Android, and go to your Android phone. Just open the application and click continue, agree, and on iPhone just click continue, and you will get one code over there. That code you have to enter on your Android screen. Click continue. There you can see one Wi-Fi is connected, which is created from iPhone. Click continue. Now you can see it's connecting to iPhone. Click connect. Now you can see the connection is successful. It's authenticating. Now you can see the transfer is preparing. Here you can select what all files you want to transfer from your Android to your iPhone. You can select Google account, messages, contacts, calendar and camera roll. You have to choose what all you want to transfer and click continue. Now it started transferring data from your Android phone to iPhone. Now the transfer is completed, and you can click on continue setting up iPhone to continue the iPhone setup. And once the iPhone setup is completed, you can see all the data on your new iPhone. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries, please comment below the video. I will look into it.